Nice. EFI, electronic fuel injection. Yeah. You may remember this car from, I think it's already 2 years ago, or was it last year? Done the lap.
Last year, but beginning.
Beginning, very early. Yeah, because it was still on our location, I remember that. Done the lap. It was something very impressive and very exciting, something that all of you enjoyed and liked. And today, we're back. But the car is completely different.
The chassis remained.
Yeah, exactly. But what's underneath is different. So please remind us, for people who do not want to watch last year's video, what was back then and what's now?
Back then, we had a stock Renault 5 GTE, 94 horsepower, with a very tired engine, which blew up like a month later.
Yeah, I remember that.
And then I got this.
Oh, hello. Not that interesting. That's more interesting.
Then I got this, which is the same engine but bigger.
Okay.
Which is always good.
Yeah, how much bigger?
It's 2 liters now.
Okay.
Instead of 1.7. And then, you know, because it's a Renault, it's not a Golf. You can't go to Debilas and go, I want 160 horsepower, buy.
Yeah.
You can look online, everything is in French, I don't speak French. So you gotta figure it out. So the engine is 2 liters.
Yeah.
The ECU and peripherals are from the 1.7 liter with, turns out, quite a lot of adaptation work needed. Some guy in a forum said it fits.
Yeah.
The intake is, I shit you not, from a Volvo.
Okay.
Because Volvo bought Renault engines and did some work on them with Porsche to make them more fuel efficient.
Okay.
And put them in the 440, 460, 480
yeah.
series. Yeah, and then a lot of whatever is possible in Germany with TÜV.
Yeah.
So it should be like 120, 125 horsepower. I never dynoed it. For reference, the car does 200 kph GPS.
That's
flat.
it, flat. Yeah. What is that, like improvement over the last time?
Yeah, like 20 more.
Oh, okay. That's
So
good.
yeah, the old engine was tired.
Yeah.
We fixed the crankcase ventilation issue. If you remember from last year's video. With on one hand a just better unit from the 2 liter and a catch can.
Nice.
Yeah, we have a bit different suspension setup.
Okay.
It's lower.
Yeah.
It has a Clio 1 cup springs. It's a like stock standard damper and spring. And the rear is torsion bars, so you can just pull them out, twist and lower it as you wish.
Very cool. And you're on semi-slicks as well, Air 1s.
Yeah, I had NS2R last year. Then I put Air 1 on the front, which was good.
Yeah.
And then I also put it on the rear so I can rotate.
Yeah.
The rear made a bit, because it's stiffer and the sidewall is so big, you kind of feel it. But it's mainly for being able to control even tire wear.
Yep. Nice. It looks so good. It's one of the best looking cars. Oh, you're missing the exhaust.
Oh,
no.
fell off.
Yeah. And for the rest, that's kind of it. Oh, another important thing for this year, you have also cage. Last year didn't have it, so that makes us definitely a bit safer with the non-existent roof. Yeah. Just there for the show.
Maybe one more interesting detail, if you look at the shifter, actually. If you look at the bolts, you will see it doesn't belong there. There's a lot of stuff like this in the car. This is from a Renault Scenic.
Okay.
Because the fulcrum point is higher.
Yeah.
So you can raise the shifter a lot without making the throw longer.
Nice.
And all over the car, suspension, control arms, there's a lot of this.
Things from other.
Fits, what makes sense. But then also cost effective.
Yeah.
Fun is the main.
Absolutely.
The main goal.
Oh, that's a small battery.
Yeah, it's like €50 motorbike.
Okay.
It works. Even N24, you know, 4 degrees after 3 days sitting still.
No problem. Nice. Nice, yeah, because you were marshalling during N24.
Yeah.
And many other races as well. Yeah. So thank you very much for your service. It's very important. All right. Well, since I enjoyed last year's lap as a passenger, I said, you know, let's go again. This time as a passenger. I was offered to drive. I'm like, nah, you know this car is so much better than I do. So, and I had so much fun, and this time as well. And actually, I did my halfway through the lap. I'm like, okay, I trust this. I'm gonna do close my eyes and just like imagine the track in my head. And then when some irregularities came, I would open my eyes, such as with some weird traffic. So whoever was driving irregular, thanks for waking me up. So, but or not. Anyway, thanks again for the lap. Really enjoyed it. And yeah, now you guys enjoy the lap. Oh, that's a big zoom. All right, enjoy, yay.
way too hot already.
Too hot?
Yeah, like the weather, man.
It was nice.
Oh. It's fun, but I over the last year I started to take it a bit more easy, especially on the brakes, because you know the gain. There's no gain.
Yeah.
You can only win the pineapple.
Yeah.
And I mean, also okay, there was some traffic, but I lift and coast quite a lot because the risk is so high. You know? Some oil spill, some Gulf, like the silver one, and